Hey, STEMsters, don't throw away that popsicle stick, because today we're going to turn it into STEM. All right. Hi, STEMsters. Today we're going to make a catapult out of these craft sticks. Now, the catapult started in the year 399 BC. And it was believed that they used these to launch the fiery arrows they were firing with crossbows. With the catapult, they would go a lot farther. It wasn't until later in the 15th century when they made one of these types where it launched a boulder across the field and hit the castle walls. And sometimes they would light them on fire too. Very scary. So today, we're gonna make both of these. So let's find out what materials and tools we're gonna need to do it. Here are all the parts and tools you're gonna need for your catapult. For the catapult made in 399 BC, we have 12 craft sticks, 3 rubber bands, some type of projectile like a ball or a marshmallow or a marble, and a glue gun. For the European style catapult, we have 13 craft sticks and a rubber band, as well as the glue gun and the projectile. Hi, STEMsters, welcome back. And now we're gonna collect our data from our catapults. So the first thing you wanna do is set it on the ground somewhere or on a table and mark where you're gonna start. Usually a piece of tape is good. And then you're gonna launch the ball or your marshmallow or marble or whatever you're using for a projectile across the room. Here we go. Wow, that went pretty far, but we won't know unless we measure. So we get our tape measure out and measure in feet and inches how far that went. And we can do that several times. Then we have our other catapult we made. Remember the one from like the 15th century. So we're gonna put that ball in there and do the same thing. Start measurement and then measure how far it goes. Wow, that went pretty far too. we could see the difference and you could start deciding which would be better to use, this old style one or the more modern one for the time. So make sure you write everything in your data logbook. And don't forget, you can make changes to these. You can decorate them. You can use stronger rubber bands or a larger launch or different type of projectiles. Either way, try to make some differences and see how you can improve, make it better. Well, until next time, remember, I'm Professor Jim, and don't forget to subscribe. Just press the button somewhere on there and visit our website at ProdigySTEM.com. Bye.